Welcome back, all you beautiful people. My name is Franco. Thanks for joining me in another video. You're watching the FrancoPhoto vlogs. So, we're making another video today. Yep. We're making a video for two different reasons. First of all, I just got a brand new GoPro and I want to test it out. Got the media mod, got this little dead cat thingy on the mic. I got the windows open in the truck. And I want to see how it sounds. So it's an audio test, it's a video test, and secondly, I'm meeting my family at Epcot. I just got off a plane about 2 hours ago, got myself settled at home, my new GoPro arrived, set it up, and now I am off to Epcot to meet my family and just kind of shoot a fun little video of us hanging out at Epcot, assuming my kids don't piss me off and we end the day badly, because that tends to happen. So let's see how it goes. I'll see you guys at Epcot.
Gabby, did you forget what Dad looked like? We walked all the way to China. Gianluca, we walked all the way to China. Tell Daddy where we walked to get your toy.
Dad, look at that.
What did you get?
Who does this look like? Quick, quick, quick.
Xerxes.
Xerxes babies.
Aww. You guys having fun? You guys,
Tell them the ride we went on.
What are you having?
It's really good. We're going to look for the bus now to go see the Grand Floridian because no one else wants to go with me but them.
Dad, we're going to see the real gingerbread house.
The real gingerbread house? The big one? Why are you crying?
I
Cry all the
don't
time.
know. A hurricane of plants.
Oh, a hurricane of plants. That's cool. So Mom's taking you everywhere, huh? Hmm? Right? You happy, dude? Are you happy, Mom? Yeah, you good drink there?
Dad,
Yeah.
this was $10, this was $12.
Oh, so it's been $22? Oh. I got some fire roast. Oh, so Alan and Elsa?
Yeah. We just couldn't go near them. They come back
I
at...
saw more characters.
You did?
Yeah.
Who did we see? Chip and Dale.
And we saw Mickey and Pluto.
And Pluto?
Yeah, good.
And
Wow.
Goofy.
And Goofy?
No, I didn't say Goofy.
Oh.
He's like,
I just got some fire roasted chestnuts and eggnog cinnamon whiskey. Man, this stuff's good.
That's what we said we were gonna do. We were just gonna randomly go to Epcot after school and like walk around.
Especially on a day where you bang out early, you know? Because the kids, doctor got canceled, but. Having fun? These chestnuts are so good. I hate making them because I never know how to open them, because when I cook them, they don't ever open up like this.
Dad, did I put mine right here?
Yeah, I believe so. Dude, how old are you?
What?
How old are you? Huh? You're acting like that.
You keep yelling at me.
What are you sorry for?
Gabby, you keep hurting Mama's feelings. You yell at Mama all the time. Where are we going now, Gabby? Introduce the video.
That drink is hitting me now.
Oh
I
my
need
goodness.
a nap.
I'm
gonna get a snake bite me.
Gianluca, introduce the video. Where are we going next?
Grand.
Nowhere.
The Grand Nowhere?
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going?
The Grand Floridian.
And what are we going to see there?
The The Grand Floridian.
The Grand Floridian?
Crazy Hansel and Gretel.
Push one for a second. So, Epcot was a short little trip. Came here to meet the kids and the wife. Yeah, that's how it should be, you're right. Had a nice drink, had some cashews or no, chestnuts. And now we're gonna hit the Grand Floridian because my wife likes to go hotel hopping. And she wants to see like the life-size, what's it called? The life-size gingerbread house. And Gianluca's hungry, so I gotta find a place to eat now. And Gabriella's a crazy lady, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna take a bus. Even though we drove here, we're taking a bus to the Grand Floridian because sometimes they won't let you in unless you're staying at the hotel. So we're taking a bus, and I'll see you guys at the Grand Floridian. All right, change of plans. We're no longer going to Grand Floridian because you gotta take a monorail and then you gotta take a bus. So that's too annoying for us. At least for me it is. So we're going to Fort Wilderness Lodge where my wife wants to go see their extravagant Christmas display.
Oh. And I hope you didn't know Mom got one for me. Stop landing on me, please. Lean on me. Please stop landing on me.
She's asking you nicely, Jay.
Please stop landing on me. Wait, look at our eyes.
All right, G, get off her, please. Jay.
Please shut up.
Jay.
Please stop. Ow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See what I mean? Kids are crazy. What do you see? Whoa, cool view, huh? Well, you're jumping around. What do you think is gonna happen to him?
It almost looked like a rat when it was running.
Well, that's the end of our adventure. It was a short trip to Epcot. Didn't get to see much of it. Basically just met up with the family and made our way over here to the Wilderness Lodge. We grabbed some dinner and now we're going back to the bus stop where we're gonna head back to Epcot, pick up our car, and then make our way home. And that's it. Okay, baby. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please comment down below, like, subscribe, do the whole nine. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we grabbed some dinner and now we're going back to the bus stop where we're gonna head back to Epcot, pick up our car, and then make our way home. And that's it. Okay, baby. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please comment down below, like, subscribe, do the whole nine. I appreciate it. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm actually curious to see what this video footage looks like with this new light with this new GoPro Hero 10 and their media mod. This light's bright though, I can't see anything. Oh, that's pretty good. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, I'll have a video on our new adventure. I think Sunday I'm gonna go to St. Pete Beach, and we're gonna hit up Egmont Key with I believe Alfredo and Matt, and you know, go see some beautiful water. So maybe I'll have that video for you guys on Monday or Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you guys later.